Fidchell, also called Gwyddbwyll, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to connect the center circle to the outer edge of the board through a continuous chain of adjacent pawns. Lay out the board, and each player takes a set of 27 matching colored pawns. Pick a player to go first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you must place one of your pawns on any empty intersection of lines on the board. If you sandwich one of your opponent's pawns between two of your own in a continuous line with no gaps in between, then you get to remove their pawn from the board and take another turn. Captured pawns are removed from the game and may not be replaced on future turns. You may capture again on your bonus turn and continue to gain successive extra turns. If you capture multiple pieces in one move, you only gain one extra turn. You may not capture through the center. You may safely place a piece sandwiched in between two enemy pieces without it being captured. When you run out of pawns to place, you begin the movement phase. On your turn, move one piece in a single direction, following one line through vacant intersections as far as you like, or until you run into an obstacle. You may not move through or into obstacles, nor through the center. You capture pieces by creating sandwiches in the same way as before, gaining an extra turn for each one. There is one new feature. The center of the board acts as half of the sandwich for either player when capturing pawns in the innermost ring. The first player to connect the center circle to the outer edge of the board through a continuous chain of adjacent pawns wins.